How was your day?
My day was okay, okay. I was
Okay.
doing study throughout the day.
Okay. So, did you go through the session material?
Yeah, not in very deep, but yeah, I had a glance.
Okay, so you had a glance.
Yeah,
So, do you want to continue with the same topic or do you want to talk about something else?
we can continue with the topic, I think.
Okay.
Yeah,
So, uh, so here's a situation. I'll give you a situation and you think and tell me how you would react in that particular situation. Okay.
yeah. Mm,
So imagine that you're sleeping and early in the morning your doorbell rings. You go out and you open the door and you find out police standing there
okay.
and they're there to arrest you, and they arrest you and they take you with them. So how are you going to react now?
First of all, I will ask them to show me some written warrant against me, and I will ask them
Okay.
why you are arresting me, what is my fault, and what I have done wrong.
Okay, so you will ask them the reason.
Yeah, I will ask them reason
Okay.
and tell them to show the warrant if something
Yeah.
with them.
So will you ask them for the ID cards or will you just
Yeah,
go with
obviously.
them?
No. Obviously, I will ask them for the ID cards. They
Okay.
might be just fake police.
Yeah. So how, what will be your reaction? Will you not be surprised?
Yeah, it depends on the situation. If I have done something wrong, which I know that I have committed a crime,
Okay.
so I'll be not shocked. But when I have not done nothing wrong and this situation come up to me, so definitely I'll
Comes up.
be
Yeah.
shocked. Yeah, I'll be shocked a little bit.
But what do you think? Like the kind of person that you are, do you think that a situation like this can come up or you can be blamed for something? Can you do,
No,
are you capable of doing something?
I don't think that I'm that kind of person at all.
Okay, that is
That
good.
police will come up to me. I have committed a crime in my life till the date is just when I am going somewhere without license or helmet, so I will see the traffic police and I will run away from there. That is the
Okay.
highest crime which I have committed so far.
Okay.
So I don't think that for this crime they will come up to me and arrest me.
No, no, they definitely don't arrest
Yeah.
people for doing that. Otherwise, I would
Uh,
have been arrested every day. Um,
oh, so you also do that?
yeah, I do that.
Okay.
So yeah, I have driven a lot of times without a license because I do not have a license, and then I do
So
not wear a helmet too.
how old are you? I,
No, I can have a license, but I still haven't given my test. So
okay, so you have
I
not
have my
applied yet.
learners. Yeah, I have my learner's license. I do not
Okay.
have my driver's license, and
So
I drive without my license sometimes.
so
I'm
what
not
do you
advising you
do?
to do so. I'm a
No, no.
student.
Oh, you are also a student.
Yeah. Are you a student too?
Yeah. I'm preparing for banking examinations.
Okay.
And what about
So
you?
I'm in my last year bachelor's. I'm currently pursuing my bachelor's in English literature.
Okay, that's
So,
great.
what are you looking in Clappingo? Like, why are you on Clappingo? Anything specific that you want to improve about your language,
Yeah,
or
I
just for
am here.
practice?
Yeah, I am here to improve my English and improve my fluency because where I
Okay.
live, very few people speak English. I would say very few, even say we can say uh, 1 out of 100.
Oh my
So
God.
yeah, I live in a village. So as you know that we
Okay.
speak only our mother tongue, even not in
Yeah.
Hindi.
Same. Yeah.
So
Even we speak in our mother tongue, but
yeah.
that's a dialect. It's not even a language like that.
We are also in the dialect. So that is the reason that I'm not
Yeah.
getting that kind of English speaking
Environment.
environment.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
this is
Got
the
it.
main reason which I felt that this is why I'm not improving faster.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
that
So
is
this
why
is the
I
reason
joined.
you're here.
Yeah, that
So
is the reason.
basically, to practice, you are familiar with the grammar and all.
Yeah, I can say.
Yeah. Okay. So okay. So moving back to the topic then. So if they
Yeah.
take you to the police station, what will you do then?
Yeah, first of all, I will inform my family that
You will
this
inform your
is
family.
Yeah,
But you do not
this
know
is,
why they have arrested you, okay? They haven't told you yet.
yeah,
So,
that is why I will inform my family, and also will have one of my friends who is an advocate, so will call them to come and handle the situation, that
okay,
what we can do further, and so just help me to get out of this situation.
okay. Will you be scared?
I would say I will not be scared, because if I have not done anything wrong, so why would be I scared? There is no
Okay.
scope to be scared.
Feeling of being in a police station, accused of a crime. Won't you be scared?
Yeah, I will not be scared, but yeah, one thing which will affect me is that my family is very reputed family, and if this happened to me,
Okay.
so obviously in
Yeah, if
society,
if that happens to you,
that happen, that in society, it will obviously,
your
people will say that
reputation.
why this is happened to, if and as you know that all people know that he will say that he must have done something
Done
wrong, that is
something.
why
Yeah,
police took him with them.
arrested
So
him.
this can be the reason for me to be scared. Otherwise, I don't
Okay.
need to be scared.
So what if you are working? Okay. Imagine that
Okay,
you have started working already, and it's your office hour. I'm sorry. So
it's okay.
your office hours have already started, and your boss calls you
Okay.
asking you where you are, because just imagine that you have a presentation or something like that, and you are late for office and your boss calls. Now what will you tell your boss?
So I'm in a police station, right? Or this
Yeah,
is a
you have
um,
been arrested
okay.
and your boss
So
calls.
I will call my boss the real situation, that this incident has happened, and now I'm in a station. So the boss will also cooperate, I think.
But you will tell your boss that you have been arrested. What if he cares about his reputation, his company's reputation, and then your job is at stake? There is that chance, no?
Yeah,
What will you?
yeah, this is also a chance can happen, but I think that telling lie is better than telling truth, because if I'm innocent and I have not
So
done
telling the
anything wrong,
truth is better than telling a lie.
yeah, because if somehow later in later time, somehow if we came to know about the
Finds out.
situation, I think the consequences will be more worse. So it's better to tell the truth if I'm
Tell
not
the
in
boss.
fault.
Okay.
I'm not in fault.
Okay. So you will tell him that you have been arrested.
Yeah, without any reason and without committed any crime. So and as if I'm working, then my boss will also a little bit aware of me, that how kind of person I
Okay. The
am.
kind of personality you have.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so if I have good reputation at
Okay.
my
Fair
office,
enough.
so he will also help me in this situation if it is
Okay.
possible.
Okay. So the first thing that you're going to do is inform your family, then inform your friend who's an advocate, and then
Yeah,
when your boss calls, you will tell your boss. How will
yeah,
you prove your
exactly.
innocence? The police has charged you of murder.
Okay, so I will ask them that why, I will ask them for proof that why you are I'm if I have not murdered anyone, so how can you say that? And I will then further this matter will go to the court, and there I will have
There's
my lawyer.
time for the matter to go to the court. No, it takes a great deal of time for it
Yeah,
to actually go to the court. There are a series of or a number of cases that are lined up.
yeah,
Like takes months.
but I have my advocate friend, so I will ask them to suggest me some good way to what to do next now,
Okay.
because I don't have
Um,
much experience with this kind of things. So it would be better to take advice from my friend.
so what if the police says that they have some proof, uh,
Okay,
and they are keeping you in custody for at least a couple of hours until your advocate friend comes and
okay,
uh, signs the bail petition for you. Till then,
okay,
they're keeping you in the custody.
okay.
So you are
So
alone there now.
yeah, alone, but as we know that there is no another option apart from stay there. So there is the only
Staying there,
option
yeah.
which I have to stay there.
Staying there. Apart from staying there, there's no
Yeah, yeah.
other option.
There is no other option, so I will stay there and wait for my friend to come, and then after that we will communicate with the police, and all the legal procedure we will follow further.
So